Wouldn't you like to have a life that is totally financially secure?
I want you to go out there and make money for you.
Not sure that you find your passion. Your passion finds you.
Life is too short to spend one day doing something you do not love. You are far better off getting yourself out of debt than saving money right now. Got that? We can help each other, but we can only help each other when you remember you were the ones who stood up, you were the ones who put your hands in the air, and you were the ones who did it.